There's nothing quite like the serene pleasure of spending a sunny day on your very own wooden deck, and this delightful experience cherished by many Bay Area residents. In this region, hardwood decks are highly valued, which shift towards Mangaris Red Balau decks, known for their remarkable beauty and durability. However, even though these decks are resilient, they still require proper maintenance to ensure their longevity. First, let's learn about the differences between softwood and hardwood decking. It lies primarily in their wood composition and characteristics. Softwood, exemplified by varieties like cedar and redwood, are indeed softer and more pliable. They often feature warm, natural appearance and are relatively easy to work with. However, softwoods may require more frequent maintenance due to their susceptibility to wear and decay. In contrast, hardwoods such as Ipe and Mangaris Red Balau are notably harder, denser, and exhibit exceptional durability. They're renowned for their longevity and resistance to the elements, making them a preferred choice for outdoor decks. What's more, both Ipe and Mangaris Red Balau have Class A fire rating, underlining their superior fire-resistant properties. These hardwoods not only offer enduring beauty, but also provide peace of mind when it comes to safety and longevity in outdoor deck construction. Mangaris Red Balau decks are a sight to behold, creating the perfect backdrop for outdoor entertainment. This hardwood boasts a captivating reddish-brown hue, making it an ideal choice for crafting durable outdoor decks and railings. Its dense grain not only adds to its beauty, but also provides a slip-resistant surface. With excellence resistant to temperature fluctuations, heavy rainfall, and even fire and pests, Mangaris Red Balau proves to be an excellent decking material. Nevertheless, these decks need regular upkeep, especially under the Bay Area's unique climate conditions. It is a common misconception that Mangaris Red Balau decks are maintenance-free due to their natural durability. However, all types of wooden decks, no matter how robust, require some level of care to preserve their condition. Mangaris Red Balau naturally repels moisture, which is why it's so commonly used in outdoor structures, such as decks, porches, and boardwalks. While it is true that a Mangaris Red Balau deck can last for decades without major repairs, regular maintenance can further enhance its resistance to fading and rot. One mistake many homeowners make with Mangaris Red Balau deck care is neglecting the use of cleaning products. Regular sweeping, vacuuming, and rinsing with a garden hose can prevent stains from dirt, pollen, or sap. For more stubborn stains, safe wood cleaning products can be used. If you made some maintenance errors and your Mangaris Red Balau deck has faded or weathered, don't fret. Thanks to its high density, you can restore it to its original look and feel. After restoration, a routine of regular cleaning and resealing will keep your deck looking its best throughout the year. So what does maintaining a Mangaris Red Balau deck in the Bay Area involve? Frequent cleaning is crucial, especially with the Bay Area seasonal changes. Cleaning debris left behind by winter winds or spring pollen is essential to prevent staining or scratching. This also applies to deck furniture, as debris trapped under chairs or table can cause staining or warping. Make sure all furniture is thoroughly clean and move carefully to avoid scratching the wood. Spills are inevitable, especially during social gatherings. The stains from dark liquids like red wine, coffee, or soda can mar your deck's appearance. So, quick cleanup is essential. Stains from oil, grease, algae, or mildew require a more involved removal process using a cleaning brush and wood cleaner. Avoid harsh cleaning chemicals or bleach as they cause severe damage. Scratches are a common issue as they break the sealant and allow moisture to penetrate. While Mangaris Red Balau wood is moisture resistant, extended exposure can lead to mold formation. Deep scratches can be filled with wood putty or epoxy-based fillers, while surface scratches can be remedied with light sanding and refinishing. Applying an annual sealant is another key element of Mangaris Red Balau deck maintenance. Sealing your deck preserves its pristine condition for years to come. The sealant creates a protective layer over the wood, preventing it from getting scuffed, scratched, or faded. Before sealing, thoroughly clean the surface and address any damages. You may need to lightly sand damaged areas with 80 grit sandpaper, preferably done by professional deck restoration service due to Mangaris Red Balau's sensitivity to sanding. If the wood has been sealed previously, Remove the old sealant with the wood stripper and a low pressure washer. Once the wood is completely dry, apply the sealer evenly on all deck surfaces with a brush. Ensure any excess oil pooling is wiped off within 20 minutes of application. Failing to do this can result in the sun singeing the oil and causing the surface to turn black. Therefore, it's advisable to enlist the services of a professional decking sealing company for this task. Sealing your Mangaris Red Balau should prevent it from fading or darkening. Untreated wood will develop silver color due to sun exposure, indicating the drying of its natural oils and leaving it to vulnerable damage. However, well-maintained Mangaris Red Balau deck will fade gradually between maintenance visit without significant color change. You may be wondering if Mangaris Red Balau wood requires staining. It is essential to differentiate between wood stains and sealants. While wood stains alter the wood's color, sealants protect it from moisture, fading, and harsh UV rays. Mangaris Red Balau's wood natural color is typically appreciated as is. But if you desire slight change, wood stains can be used. Staining should be done with the grain for an even coating. It's worth noting that your taste in stain colors might evolve over time. You can darken the color by applying a second coat of the same stain or one in darker hue. However, if the stain becomes too dark, you'll need to remove it through scrubbing, sanding, or using deck stripper, which can be time-consuming and labor-intensive. Therefore, it is wise to test the stain in a hidden area before full application. Maintaining your Mangaris Red Balau deck is an ongoing process. It's advisable to reseal your deck every 12 months to extend its lifespan and uphold its integrity. The Bay Area sun can easily degrade the protective layer on your Mangaris Red Balau deck, leaving it vulnerable to the elements. Unprotected wood will turn gray over time and may even absorb more water, causing it to buckle. If your Mangaris Red Balau deck has already turned gray due to inadequate maintenance, there's still hope. Beneath the faded surface, the grain maintains its natural reddish-brown color. You can remove the top gray layer with low pressure washer and some patience. Following this, reseal the deck using a UV protectant to prevent further graying. In conclusion, maintaining a Mangaris Red Balau deck in the Bay Area is not a daunting task. This unique wood is relatively easy to care for, and a little attention goes a long way. Regular cleaning and annual sealing will ensure your deck continues to look its best for season after season. We know how a flooring and decking project is a mammoth undertaking for you and can be very expensive. But if you're not in a rush, I encourage you to shop around. Then check us out. We're a factory direct store, so our prices are cheaper than any other places. We import the woods ourselves, passing along the savings to you. And we have pro installers with 15+ years of experience at your service. Should you have any questions, please email us at hello@redeemflooring.com.